boss them still alright. So take care of your truck while you have it. And make sure say yo, the truck are gonna take care of you guys. If the truck mash up and park for 2 weeks, chances are you're not gonna make no money for 2 weeks. So most of the man never look at it. I hear a truck till the boss take it back. So treat it good. So just that whole heap of story we have got one next time.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man, next time. Big up yourself, big up the general, speaker.
Set it up.
Yeah, man, everything, man. You know, I said the first time the boss say, yo, have a truck for you. And I say, yeah, let me see it. And the day the truck come at Jamaica and the boss say, yo, come in, may I go for your truck. When me see the truck, I tell him, I don't want it. I don't like it. Boss, yo, I'm here the truck. I said, my brother, I don't want it, man. The next truck, I drive and give me a problem. And I say, oh, God, I'm going to the truck. To the truck, they look. I say, yo, I don't like that truck there, man. I say, my truck, I give me a problem. And I only truck that they see when I can't say, yeah. But to the boss, I say, yeah. I'm going to the truck. I take the truck. I say, alright, I say, alright. I take it truck, but I go and set it to me, like.
Yeah.
And the boss say, yo, do what you do, man. As long as I don't mash up, man. Anything you want to do, I hear a truck, just go and do what you want to do. And I say, alright, so I just, first weekend, I put on the mirror them on the bonnet. And I say, alright. Take time, I put on some side light on it. So me take time set it and I see the visor throw down in one container and I say, yo, general, I want a visor. He say, oh, the visor online. Look online. Can't find no visor. I say, yo, I throw on that one when I see her, man. Throw on the visor. And I there, I do a video. I say, yo, machine have a twin stack, you know. And the boss see me and say, yo, you want twin stacky and show me some pipe and say, you want that one there, you want that one there. I say, yo, I want that one there. I order 4 of them pipe there. And I have them in a container, lock up all long. And I say, yo, well, put on them pipe. Yo, the man them dry out, brother. You just get vexed one week. Yeah, as I say about the muffler them. Muffler them dead about a month. And I can't get nobody to put them on. So, one Friday I go in and I stress the well and say, yo, man, the muffler them go on for the weekend. And well, I say, yeah, man. Just get mad on Friday evening and let's start pulling the truck on Friday evening. I'm come back Saturday and, yo, I just start work. Monday morning, muffler done, put on. Well it. Every pipe, put them on everything cannot come. When them see truck Monday morning, surprise. I say, yo, what you really doing? I say, yeah, man. So, I want them to live it myself, man. Me work for my truck one while, mechanic work. Everything. Every light, I may put them on. Mud flap, everything. With little help from my friend. One thing, when I work, my friend, them always there around me. True, man. When I work, them just there, they come well and fight for a weekend. Most of the weekend with their garage, they just sit down and look and, you know, something come to your mind and say, oh, I put that on the truck, you know. Yeah, man. That's how we deal with it.
Come in, Jimmy, English runway, meet me up on the runway here.
Yeah, man, that's how we set up the machine, yeah. Get it to that level how we want it.
Yeah, man, nice, man. What I said, it does have an image by itself.
Yeah, man. I make you see a picture when the truck just...
Did it look like the daycare went off in there?
Yeah, see next daycare we see in the garage, I see him say, look, man, look ugly. I say, yo, but one thing they always like inside the truck, yeah.
Yeah, man, the
even
nice.
when me never want the truck, me and the boss there do 2 drive with it. And then go down the road with it 2 times and I like it dashboard and...
So, they will come with it or...
Alright, this is one system, shut down the truck. You see me? One system where... Nice system, because any man can drive it. And if a man want thief, you know, it's a hard for him thief. If a man want to move it up in a line without me, it's like once they see red light, can't move. So it's a nice piece of truck, man. Nice machine inside. outside clean, interior clean. And we always try to keep it clean as possible, but sometimes the fan system wicked, so it end up that more while the dust. So you see when we are work hard and back to back, you have to keep it clean.
Yeah.
Yeah man, but we try to keep it clean as possible. We try to keep it in a good condition. I drive it about 3 to 4 years now. And like how I keep it on a level. Try to see accident free and all of them something there, isn't it?
So what my doctor say, the specs are now.
Alright, that truck here come down with an engine problem. It have a sound in the engine, it come 310.
How much engine come down there? Same ISM?
Same ISM, right?
Stay up on the street.
310. However, we got some bomb now and change the head on the block. So we are on about 375 you know. I don't know, fast truck.
Yeah.
But when it comes to strength and it carry double diff lock and it come with a 10C gearbox, so change it out and put a 13 in it. I want to tell you a story about that 13 you know. My gearbox is 10 speed, I give a problem due to some water clog up in the valve. And we did do a video, I say, yo, somebody tell the boss they want a 18 you know. So when I go somewhere and tell the boss they want a gearbox now, he must say, yo, you want a 18 or you want a 13. But at that time, I couldn't shift 18 and I couldn't shift 13. So I said, give me the 13. I must know to shift the 13. Because through the 18 so enough. I say, yo, me run the 13. He say, you sure you want the 13? I say, yeah man, me take the 13. And even when the 13 go in the truck, you never know if you shift it. I watch YouTube and I ask a couple questions. And from that, I just take time till I catch it and can maneuver myself certain way with the 13. But feel for your 18 you know still. And nah life, when you go back you don't want to go back. You see me? Better you have it more than you don't have it.
That's true man.
Yeah man, so nice piece of machine still. We run a 411 race around the back. Yeah. And on a fast truck, but when I tell you say, when you go uphill, you have strength, you have torque. You know problem. Me no problem know where I go. Stop. Me don't worry about stuck and them things. Me don't worry about move off. And me don't worry about speed. Gonna race me a race.
True man, that's why I have strength.
But that's why I know so when I go up there, I not fumble and I not fear cut no bag of gear. Most of the time I see them gear, I start deal them with it and finish with. So I'm gonna get truck here come with good temperature. I want to tell you say we have to put like a fire upon it because it's cool too much.
How are your truck?
2008.
Oh, 2008.
So it come with good temperature. The thing about the machine are good. You know the next driver we are going to drive it, how them are deal with it still, but for now I go and take care of it like I'm a daily.
So the next truck, how are the next truck for you? Double 9? I don't too like big truck still, but I feel me through a bed truck you know. We have something in mind, but we are going to watch and see. But it's a daycare man, but you a bed truck you know, down the road more while you want, you know, back to back. You want to rest up man, make sure say. So, something in the pipeline. Something in the pipeline for the future. See me big up no limits straight. Because we are come from baby stage. You see me? See with the idea now. We are set example. And we are be a road model and them thing there. We not try to hype. Try to guide certain youth to just come like myself. Because we are come from baby stage. We are come from when we just come a garage and them say throw water in the truck, we don't know which part we play water. You see me? Yeah.
So yeah, we are come from far man. Only for work we put in man.
So they go there as for turn a mechanic?
No man, my father a truck driver you know. So
when me there country now, him say come a town, so I park my father about 1 year straight. 1 year straight, and then my father drive straight truck. Him not really fancy trailer. So when him go to Bam now and say, yo, what going on, I put it in the garage. And he must say wash truck. And the boss say, no man, don't limit him man. Yo, see in the garage anything you want to do it.
So that's speaker?
Yeah. General say, yo, do what you want to man. Anything you want to man. Just do what you want to. And going on and only per man guide me and say, you I want him like effort you push out. If I see a man do something like this, I go over there and I look. See welding, I go and I take piece of welding. Tire work, I go and I take piece of tire work. Mechanic work, I go and but I did mostly in the mechanic field. Tommy did have me and coach me. And most of the time, I'm mechanic me. Mechanic work, mostly. But I still never limit myself. Any little thing for them, I just do it and no say, I learn. Regardless, I pay the time there, whatever, we just go and learn. Sometimes I feel to give up. But I have a couple of people around me who always push me and say, yo, don't give up.
True, man.
Go and learn something. Because one thing, anything you learn, a man can't take that from you. Once you have something in your head, it's go always dead with you. So we always try to use them things that for guide me. Day to day, see me?
Yeah, the mechanic work did worth it still, because you can't end up
yeah, man, I'm glad for your mechanic, brother. I'm glad for your mechanic work, you see me? You can't just put your, say, I want thing you want to do, straight. You see me? If you chuck thing in the work, I never too like the chuck thing still, you know? The driving, you know? Yeah, I never like the driving part. That never really, the driving part never really connect with me. You see me? I just one day, in a garage still, funny how I learn to drive. I just in the garage mostly. Then in the garage I work and I chuck my driving, I test it. You see me? Until one day the boss dead there. And like the boss and a little pressure. Because I used to worry about license and thing. More while and the boss see me and say, yo, better you have it more than you have it.
True, man.
Go sort out your license. Sort out my license and one day boss under pressure and I say, yo General, I can't help you man, where you say man? And 6 wheel like there garage. And him I say, alright, do you think? I have some box of Clarendon for come to town. I'm going to Bam and say, alright, take my time go to Clarendon with the 6 wheeler. Pick up a loaded box, come to town and go to running. Cut off the box, so I couldn't go in there wharf. Go on back a garage, and next day again the boss say, yo, me have a box at airport. Pick up the box for me. Go for the box, cut it half a wharf. Boss say, yo, sort out the wharf ID. And I say, alright. Nah, do it in the boss. Till I say, yo, dog, sort out the wharf ID, you know, man. Bet you have it, more you don't have it. And I say, alright, I'm going to deal with it. And I sort out myself. And eventually, I and I work. And I say, yo, I get for light the driving thing, you know. Start work there and same time I have a supervisor named Kevin. I say, yo, dad, you look like you love the truck thing, you want a truck? And I say, yeah, man. And I say, I wonder which truck I take you now. I scope out the garage and I say, yo, here we go, I take that truck here. And they have a green, I don't even know one green truck I used to drive.
What how long from now?
About 2018, 17, 18. I drive a green truck, man, no limit.
It's still in a camp thing, man?
Yeah, man, still in a camp, man. And I tell you, I transfer that truck there, and the boss, I said, Jano. Same time, Kevin and the boss bet. Say, I go drop off. I never forget that. One day, one evening, I go to the garage and then see my truck and I said, Jano. Because I fix up my truck one weekend, you know. Nobody not there, you know. Come see my truck nice and pretty. Then bet. Kevin said, I give me 1 year, boss. I said, no, man. Kavar, this, you know, man. I bet you any money, Kavar, now drop. And I say, can't make none of them say me drop off. I say, I'm proving wrong, brother. I'm going to keep up my truck. I tell her, say, my truck nice. People when I know me on the road, I say, yo, I like how you deal with the machine and that give you a little push.
Yeah, true. Encourage you.
Yeah man, enough man see me a road and say, yo, youth, from nobody to somebody, cause no man don't know me a road, you know, cause me never gone a road, that's the second and them thing there, brother. So I just say chuck. People see and I say, youth, what? Machine clean and nice, me always try to keep that truck there. I think we keep that truck there clean and I want me keep that one there.
How about your first truck, man?
Yeah, so me used to keep it clean. You see me? Shine, tank shine, rim shine, Amaral. He never left me Amaral and my tire shine. AC car, brother. I don't know some man do it, you know, but once AC can go in my truck, AC are going in it, you know, brother. Cause you have to work on a comfort. And I believe every man will work for your next man. Try to keep the machine clean like a year one. Treat it like a year one. Because at the end of the day, your food basket. And you have to know say if your truck not work, you not make no money. And most of the boss they rich already. You see me say if your truck park for a week, your boss them still alright. So take care of your truck while you have it. And make sure say yo, the truck are gonna take care of you. Because if your truck mash up and park for 2 weeks, chances are you're not gonna make no money for 2 weeks. So most of the man never look at it a year truck till the boss take it back. So treat it good. So just that whole heap of story we have got one next time.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, one next time. Big up yourself, big up the general speaker, you see me. And we have enough man around out there. We encourage you and give you a little knowledge and a little help along the way. So big up everybody. You see me, team no limit.
So right now you have got us jack up the body and all.
Yeah, but right now, the one I know, I run it in the wharf and reload on it.
Yeah.
Manchester, man. See me? So we're glad for your exposure still.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, that's the right. Drop everything. Whole night work. We start prepare late, let us stand still.
I just time catch up.
Time catch up and so we just have to drop everything. Chuck no wash. Dry wipe me chuck. Yeah man. They are ready. Every man get ready and we just dig off. But it's a nice journey. See next time we are more prepared.
Yeah man. How you do on it so? On your job? You never get ready. The next shot them that work a different job.
No, you were going. We start prepare the night before truck show. You see me? Chassis, clean up and paint. The bumper come off and spray up. The tank step them come off and spray up. And then they light them and then I do them. They are my little friend them, so you know say. And we are do everything so. That gonna take time. So we work until about 3:30 in the night. And by 6:30 in the morning we work again. Straight back till 3:30 in the day when I jump show. Yeah man. Light them. So I light them, I rewire them. You see me? So take time.
Take time, but you and that when time soon found later that I say truck they never done sit up in time.
Never done. And the boss truck there never finish. And that time we are saying nah go make it. Polish is give this a little polish but work out yeah.
Truck just have a unique look. Nobody ever tell you that yet.
Yeah man. Look where I'm going live.